students, now we are starting our new topic, that is subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Last class we discussed addition of 4-digit numbers, that is over. Okay, I think all of you understood it. Okay, then now we will start this. Okay, in a beehive 2349 honeybees. See, two children made them fly. Then it flew over. See how many are flew over? 323 flew over. This is okay. Then how many honeybees are left over in the beehive? More, I say the question. Here 2349 honeybees in a beehive. Two children made them fly. Then 323 honeybees fly over. Then how many honeybees are left over in the beehive? How can we find this? Very easy. Here the operation is, which operation we will do? Here, what is subtraction? That means subtract 323 from 2349. Always subtract smaller number from bigger number. Okay, we will do this. Okay, shall we do the subtraction? Okay, these are the ones place numbers. 9 minus 3. That means subtract 3 from 9. Okay, ones place numbers. Very easy. 6. Or how can we do this? Counting backwards. Counting backwards means how from 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. How many numbers? 6. Okay, very easy it is. You learned before. Okay, this anyway you can use. Which is the easiest method that you can use? 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 3. 0. Then again 2. So, number of honeybees left over in the beehive is 2026. Okay, dear children. Okay, see, while subtracting, listen. Write the bigger number above and smaller number below. Then we will get the answer. Okay. See this question from textbook. Okay. 4-digit number. 9454 minus 3412. This is subtracting. Listen the sentence. Subtracting 3412 from 9454. That means smaller number below, bigger number above. Then only can subtract. Okay. See the one space numbers. Subtract 2 from 4. 2 from 4 means how can we do? See the number 4. Counting backwards, getting 2. That means 3, 2. How many numbers? 2. So 2 is the answer. Here also tens place numbers are 5 and 1. Then counting backwards 5, getting 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. How many numbers? 4 numbers. Okay, here the answer is 4. Then 4 minus 4 means, that means how can we do? 4 minus any number subtract the same number means any number subtracted from the same number. Any number subtracted from the number itself, that means getting 0. Okay. Or counting backwards to get 4 means 0. Okay. 0 here. Very easy. Then here 9 minus 3 is again taking 3 away from 9. Or counting backwards 9 to get 3. How? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, how many numbers? 6 numbers. This is the difference. Answer in subtraction is called difference. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Here I come. So we can read easily. 6042 is the difference. So the difference is equals, what is 6042? 6042. Okay, just see the method of subtraction. Okay, then it is very easy. This is simple subtraction. Simple subtraction means above number is bigger, below number is smaller. Again, one more question. One is 4-digit number, second is 3-digit number. First number is 1638. Second number is 203. Then just subtract 203 from 1638. Which here the ones place numbers are 8 and 3. See, subtract 3 from 8. What is the number? Here is 5. Then subtract 0 from 3. That means subtracting 0 from any number, get the number itself. So 3 is the answer. Here 6 minus 2. That means take away 2 from 6. That is 4. Here 1. Okay, the answer is 1435. Over that, but the answer in subtraction is what? Difference. So the answer is difference. What is difference? Equals 1435. The next question is, see here, first number is 5-digit number. Second is 4-digit number. See here, how can we read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. That is 68,417. Second number is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 9,815. Subtract 9,815 from 68,417. How can we subtract this number? See here, very easy. Here, these all the numbers are 7. That means first number is 7. That is 5 subtracted from 7. We can do 1 subtract from 1. That also can do. 8 subtract from 4. That cannot do. That is not possible. Here 9 subtracted from 8 also not possible. Okay, we need the arrangement for that. Okay, see here. Shall we do now? Listen the board. Okay. Subtract 5 from 7. What is the answer? 2. Okay. This is the easiest method that you can use for subtraction. Okay. That is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. See here. This is, make it 4 became 14. Then this 8 became 7. Okay. We borrowed 1 from, that is thousands place. 8 is in thousands place, that 1. We borrowed here, made it as 14. Here 7. Okay. See here also, this is 9. Okay. 9 subtracting from 7. Again it is impossible. So make it as 17. Here how can we make? This is 5. Okay. Then 17, here 9 subtracting. Okay. Shall we do here? 8 from 14. 8 from 14 means counting backwards. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What is 8? How many numbers? 6 numbers. Okay. 6. Okay, understood. And that means from 8 count to get 14. How many numbers? 6. Okay. See, next number is subtract 9 from 17. How can we do? From 17, counting backwards. From 17 to 9, counting backwards. Okay, very easy to get. Okay, 16, 15, 14, how? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. How many numbers? 8 numbers. Okay, is it correct? 8 numbers. Okay, 8. Okay, then 5. Writing down. Okay, see here the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So the answer is 58,602. 58,602 is the difference. Okay, children, while doing the subtraction, please listen carefully, then do. Okay, practice so many questions, then only it became easy. Okay. children, the top number is 33,487. Here the first number is 92,613. Second is 78,671. Last number 5,000, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 6 digits are here. So, how to read this? 5,20,000. 5,20,000. Question is, subtract this number 33,487 from this number. Then write the answer here. Then subtract this number from second number. Write the answer here. Last, subtract this number from this last number and write the answer here. Okay, this how can we do? Shall we do now? Okay. So this is the first number. Okay, first number subtracting from this number. Then which number will write first? From which number this is 92,613. Okay, subtracting this number. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. Okay, shall we write here down 33, then 487. Here subtraction sign, the second number. Okay, this is the subtraction sign. Okay, then how can we do? According as the places I arranged here. So ones places are 3 and 7. Just to see the ones place. Just to see here, this is the 92,613 is the bigger number. This is the smaller number. Here the arrangement is correct. So next do the subtraction. But in the ones place number, this is 7, this is 3. We can't do because here smaller number, here bigger number. Okay, then we needed the arrangement. Here also 8, 1. That also we need arrangement. Here no problem. Here also 3, 2. This is bigger number, this is smaller number. We need proper arrangement. Okay, what we said, the borrowing. How we can borrow? Here 7 and 3. 7 subtract from 3. So make it as what is 13. 3 make it as 13. Listen here. 3 make it as 13. Okay. Give some space in between. 613. Okay. Then you can understand easily. Okay. 613. Here 487. Okay. Listen carefully. Then subtracting 7 from 3. So make it as 13. From the tens place number 1. From the tens place number 1. Taking the 10 to here, then make it as 13. Really here 3. From tens place number 1 means 110. That is 10. 10 taking and making together as 13. So the 1 became 0. Okay. 1 became 0. Then again here subtracting 8 from 0 we can't do. Okay, so this 0 make it as 10. Okay, 10 means this 6. From this 6 borrowing 1. So this 6 became 5. Listen carefully. 6 became 5. See 5 and 4 no problem. Then we can do these all. Okay. Then 7. Subtracting 7 from 13. What we do? 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. How many numbers? 6 numbers. What is 6 numbers? Again, subtract 8 from 10. How can do? 9, 8. How many numbers? 2 numbers. Okay. Then 5 minus 4 is, what is very easy. 1 number subtracting 1. Then here subtracting 3 from 2. It is also impossible. Here bigger number, here smaller number. So borrowing 1 from this number, it became 8. It became 8. Then subtract 3 from 12. Subtract. Then counting backwards to get 3. What will get? 9. Please do it and try. Okay. Try yourself. so many times, then it is easy. Practice. Okay, then here 9. Then 8 minus 3 here, same 5. Okay. Then here the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. 59,126. Okay, this is the answer. The difference is, here can be right here, 59,126. Okay. Okay, next question is, next 33, subtract which number? 33,487 from 78,670. This is the top number. So, first number is 78,671. Then the top number. This is the top number. See, 33,487. Okay. See here, the ones places are here. Just think, 33,487 is the smaller number. 78,671 is the bigger number. Then easy to subtract. But here the ones place number is 7 and 1. Subtracting 7 from 1. How can we do? Okay, it is impossible. So, borrow 1 from the tens place number. Borrowing 1 means here make it as 1. A small number right here. Small 1. Otherwise it make what is, we can't do it. Okay, after that it make wrong. Okay, then 1 here became 6. 11 minus 7 is, what is? 4. Then 6 minus 8 is, we can't do because here bigger number, here smaller number. Again make it as 16. From where? From this 6. Here make it as 5. 16 minus 8 is what? 8. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. And places are ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 45,184. 45,184. Then, children, this is the last question. 5,20,000 and 33,487. Subtraction sign. Okay. See, this is a smaller number. This is the bigger number. Here the problem is the first ones place number. This is the smaller number. This is the bigger number. How can we do? This is impossible to do. Okay. 7. Subtracting from 0. So, borrowing 1. Okay. Where from? Here is 0. 1. Borrowing 1 from. Then next number is 0. Here the before number also 0. Here also 0. So from here this 2 became 1. Okay. This 2 became 1. Okay. So here make it as 9. This also 9. This also 9. This also 9. How it is possible? From this 2. From this 2 we are borrowing. Okay. See, this became 1. Then it is 9. It is 9. It is 9. Then it is 10. Then we can do this. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 3 is again we can't do here. So again borrowing from 5 it will become 4. Then it is 11. Okay. Here 4, here 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Okay. Here 4. So the answer is 48. Here ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000 lakh. Here 4 lakh. 86,513 is the difference. 86,513. Okay. See here. This is the number 33,487 subtracting from 5,20,000. So see here ones places are 7 and 0. We can't subtract 7 from 0 because this is the smaller number. See here the next number 0, 0, 0. Here 2. So from this 2 we are borrowing 1. Then 2 become 1. 2 will become 1. Here these all 9, 9, 9. This 10. Okay. Then 5 here 3, subtracting 3 from 1 we cannot do. So this 1 became 11. That means 5 became 4. Okay, then we can do. Practice like these questions, dear children. Then only we will get. Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay.